Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on Terminal. Open your terminal and install Chocolate Doom or FreeDoom using your package manager. Next, download or copy a legal WAD file into a single folder and verify file permissions. Then launch Chocolate Doom pointing to the WAD path and watch the classic levels load in a compact terminal window. I'll guide you through commands, common errors, and simple performance tips so everything runs smoothly. First, install Chocolate Doom or an alternative port using your package manager and confirm the binary runs. Create a folder called Doom WADs or similar and copy your legal EWAD or PWAD files into it, checking permissions so the game can read them. If you have mods, separate them in subfolders and name them clearly. I'll show the exact commands to run and how to verify files so launching is hassle-free and repeatable. To launch, run Chocolate Doom with the EWAD flag and the path to your WAD file and press Enter to start the engine. Controls mimic classic Doom, so use arrow keys or configure WASD in the config file. I'll show how to edit it step by step. If the game reports a missing EWAD, double-check the file name and path. I'll also cover how to enable sound, tweak resolution, and save your control layout easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.